How many people are there? Only we three are there, huh?
No problem. We'll continue and people will join.
Satyavati.
Okay.
జాయిన్ అయ్యానండి.
So, Hari, Dr. Hari, what is this thing?
Yeah. Right. Who else there? Are there?
Satyavati.
Satyavati.
Okay. Right. Nadeem?
హరి గారు.
Satyavati
evening,
garu. Very nice. Good evening.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
Excellent. Wonderful. Satyavati garu is a philanthropist and meditator from many years, and she is going to actively involve in our Elders Club International Foundation, where she is going to sponsor and for the felicitation of all the elders. So give big round of applause to her. Okay, she is a very sincere meditator. Madam, 2 minutes your experience. Share in either Telugu or English. Preferred language is English.
అవునా, నేను తెలుగు మాట్లాడగలను.
Okay, right. Then 1 minute is your time.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చినందుకు. నేను 2000 నుంచి మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తున్నాను. చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుందండి. రోజు చాలా స్పీచెస్ చాలా విన్నాను. అంత ముందంతా కూడా ఏదో ఒక టెన్షన్స్ ఒక ఇదిగా అనిపించేది. కానీ ఎక్కడున్నా ప్రయాణం చేస్తున్నా ఎలా ఉన్నా కూడా నేను అలా కళ్ళు మూసుకొని ఆ శ్వాస మీద ధ్యాస పెడితే నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీ అనిపిస్తుందండి.
She says that she enjoys her meditation even while traveling. Whenever time permits, she has been doing meditation, and not only meditation but also teaching the meditation to everyone. Okay, Asha ji, as you asked yesterday, so the meditation is very simple. Okay, today we are going to do Dashahara Devi Dhyana. Okay, Dashahara Devi Dhyana. What all the various 10 things we have to get rid of? Asha ji,
Yeah,
what all the things we have to get rid of in our life?
all the negativity, whatever.
Yes. What negativity? Name them. One is greed.
Greed.
Yes. Lust.
Lust. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Anger.
Jealous. Anger.
Attachment.
Attachment.
Jealousy. Hatred.
Hatred,
Revenge.
revenge.
Selfishness and laziness. So today, let us work on these 10 of ourselves,
Okay.
so
Okay.
that we can regain our the lost bliss, lost paradise. This is what Dashahara speaks about. Okay, what we are going to do is see one of the avatars, one of the Shaktis is Kali. Kali means Mahashunya, emptiness. We all know everything is created from the nothingness. So we are going to connect again to the Kali consciousness, that is nothingness, from the top of our head, from the sky. Okay, from the cosmos. A beam of light which is coming towards us, becoming like a pillar, filling all around and going down to the earth, so that we'll be totally in a light pillar. So we are going to breathe all this light. When we are observing the breath in meditation, we also receive or absorb this light energy, and we are going to invoke all the 10 Shaktis. What are they? What are the 10 Shaktis? You know, Kali, Tara, Lalita Tripura Sundari, and Bhairavi, Bhuvaneshwari, Chinnamasta, Matangi, Balamukhi, Kamalatmika, Dhrumavati, Durga, Annapurna.
Dr. Hari, you want me to show the
Yes, picture. All these indicates that now see male Chaoism. That means male is predominant nowadays, but earlier the female was dominant. Female is a representation of the nature, all the Shakti. Purusha is nothing but will. exercising the will. So whatever the Shakti we have, so we have to, yes, up, a little bit up. Okay. Tara, Tripura, Bagalamukhi, Matangi, Kamala, all these Shaktis are nothing but, see, if you see, it is not the killing of the woman, it is killing of the man. Man is nothing but the ego. So you have to have the Shakti. That's why this Shakti is worshipped during this Navaratris. That means, see, everybody have female and masculine consciousness, but female is having predominant this consciousness, the energy. So for her, no need to acquire the energy. That's why the option of or the chance of giving birth or creation is given to the woman. And woman has many roles to play. So women is symbol of the energy, but nowadays the woman is neglected. So earlier in Stri Purana, Shakti Puranas, all the Devis or all the angels are nothing but females. So man has to learn how to respect the woman. These 9 days, we are going to clean or cleanse all our Navarandhras. From where we'll get all the energy. See, through mouth, we'll get the energy. Through eyes, we'll get the energy. And like that, all the Navarandhras, you have to cleanse. And Dashahara, that means 10th day, this is called Brahmarandhra, from where cosmic energy flows inside. From nothingness, this cosmic energy flows inside. So today is a meditation day, Dhyan day. Devi Dhyan session today. So that we'll cleanse all our this so-called 10, whatever we have, this all gunas, what you have to get rid of. Once again, let us say Kali, Tara, Lalita, Tripura, Bhuvaneshwari, Chinnamasta, Matangi. These are all nothing but the power. See, Matangi is Saraswati, that is a goddess of communication. The Kamala is nothing but Lakshmi, the wealth. And the so-called Kali is nothingness. Tara is nothing but a bridge between outer and inner realities. So when you are connected with the Tara, all this energy will be converted and converted into a beautiful energy which is going to nurture all our subtle bodies. Tripura is all bodies can be cleansed and energized. So like this, all these Bhuvaneshwari is, there are many lokas are there, many dimensions are there. Like it is not only Earth, there are so many planets are there in this cosmos, so many galaxies. So Bhuvaneshwari looks after all these things. And Chinnamasta is, her head is kept in her hand. So after beheading or chopping of the head, that is a surrenderance. If you see here, I think in one figure, you can see the hand in the head, head in the hand. So that all means nothing but surrenderance, love, compassion. All these qualities are already, yes, if you see here, see, it is there in her hand. That means it is all surrenderance, compassion, love, in the place of hatred, jealousy, and the laziness, all those, whatever the negative qualities we said, we are going to get rid of now. So with the help of, first we are going to invoke all these feminine energies into this energy field. And that energy field gradually turns into today's Adi Devi. So Adi Shakti. So by looking at her, by worshipping her, by praying her, doing meditation with her, we are going to cleanse ourselves. We are going to fill with that Shakti consciousness. This is all about meditation today. Let us, okay. First thing is, first 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Close your eyes. Yes, Nagini is there. Tripti, Dev, Hi, Satyavati, Asha, Bharti, very nice, Nadeem. Very good. All of you, close your eyes. Asha ji, you can also translate in Hindi. Just to follow my words. Okay. That also will help you to connect.
Okay.
Today the session is come to the center. Yes. Come to the center. You are more onto the right side. Yes. More. Yes. Very good. Now sit very comfortably. Comfortable asana is more required. And clasping the fingers, crossing the legs, keeping the spine erect with closed eyes. Just observe the breath. Breath is our life. Breath is our prana. Breath is our power. Connect with our breath. Translate.
अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान दीजिए। ये सांसें हमें पावर देती हैं, शक्ति
सांस में ही
प्रदान
भगवान
करती
है,
हैं।
सांस में ही शक्ति है।
सांस
सांस
में
पर
ही
ध्यान
शक्ति
रखिए।
है। सांस पर ध्यान रखिए।
Be with the breath. As you are observing the breath, the smile on your face is increasing.
जब आप अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान रखते हैं तो आपको स्माइल भी करना है साथ में।
The smile is increasing, spreading all over the body, and your body is becoming light as you are observing the breaths. Be with the breaths. Blissful breath
आपको बहुत
observation.
ही हल्का फील होगा जब आप अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान देंगे तो। आप फील करिए कि आप
Please,
स्माइल कर रहे हैं, आपकी फुल बॉडी स्माइल कर रही है।
as you are observing the breaths, a beam of light from the top of your head, from the sky, it is coming and forming a pillar around you, going down to the center of the earth. A beam of light expanding like a pillar, covering you 10 meters away from you. That much big pillar it is becoming and going down to the center of the earth. You are breathing, observing in the middle of that energy pillar. Hema Tareja, Hema ji also is there with us. A wonderful lady,
वेलकम हेमा।
mentor. We are doing Dashahara Devi Dhyan to get rid of all our the so-called negative gunas which are burdening us, which are limiting us, to unleash our total Durga Ma potential residing in us. Be with the breath. Normal, natural, easy, soft breath observation. As you are observing the breaths, a beam of light from the top of your head, the sky, the Kali consciousness is flowing like a light from above, reaching your head, becoming like a pillar, covering whole of your body, 4 meters away from you. That much big pillar, flowing down to the center of the earth. You are breathing, meditating in that pillar of light. Be with the breaths. Hema ji can do translate. Please respect. Durga Ma say, men are not dependent. Men have to symbiotically work with woman. Man has to learn from the woman. Be with the breath. हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं. Man has to learn from the woman.
आदि जो मैन होता है वो वुमेन से लर्न करता है. वुमेन इज अ शक्ति, पावर, एवरीथिंग इज अ वुमेन. आप स्त्री is a Shakti, power of everything.
Be with the breath.
Be with them.
Now we are balancing during this technique, both feminine and masculine.
Yes.
Nature. You're also breathing the light around, the light particles. Along with the breaths, the light particles are also going within, filling every cell of you, filling with this light, making you more light.
हर सेल को ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, more light, वो लाइट आपके अंदर जा रही है, everything in within you, आपके अंदर सब कुछ है. Feel your breath, feel your light, power, your freedom, feel your face, feel it, more feel it, more powerful, more success, more happiness, more joy. Feel it properly. पूरी शक्ति से अपने आप के अंदर जाइए, देखिए, एक एक सांस को देखिए. ऑब्जर्व योर ब्रेथ, ऑब्जर्व योर फीलिंग्स, क्या चल रहा है. जो चीज आपकी वेस्ट है, जो आपके आपके काम की नहीं है, निकाल फेंकिए, बाहर निकालिए. फील इट पावरफुली. यू आर सो पावरफुल, यू आर सो सक्सेसफुल, you're so freedomful, your mindfulness, everything in within you. Try out going inside properly.
As you are observing the breaths, you are going much deeper, deeper and deeper relaxation, deeper and deeper joy. Breath is helping you to connect Durga Ma within, the wonderful feminine balancing energies, which is a symbol of patience, forgiveness, surrenderance, love, sharing. All are blossoming like a fountain, flowing into every cell, each breath, helping you to connect your core. The light around, the light pillar around you, you are invoking all the consciousness of Durga Ma in the form of Kali, symbol of nothingness. Tara, a form of Shakti, which can connect to your subtle bodies. Dhumravati, Shodasi, Matangi, all these forms of energy are around you, connecting to you as you are observing the breaths. All these light forms, energies are ready to cleanse you. Your jealousy, hatred, anger, attachments, entanglements, lust, fear, all the qualities, whatever you are holding so far, getting released with the divine presence of these angelic beings, feminine energies, transforming all the negativity into positive light. which is useful to you, and all around. Be with the breaths. Much deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper relaxation as you're observing the breaths. As you're absorbing the light around. In the presence of all the Devis. Dasha, Vidya, representing Shaktis, all around in this light pillar. Be with them. Be open to release all the negativity. So far you are holding the hatred, the jealousy, anger, impatience, greed, guilt, shame. All are getting transformed by the Devi energy, Mata energy into positive light, which is empowering you, energizing you, beautifying you. Every cell, every organ, all the bodies, subtle bodies, including the physical body, are getting energized. Be with the breaths. Beautiful light energy flowing into every cell, making more light, helping you to find the light everywhere. Light of wisdom from that Kali consciousness flowing to you from the top of your head, covering you, going down to the earth. You are the medium, channel for this divine energy.
Mhm.
All the plants, animals, avians, angelic kingdoms are receiving the light emitted by you, getting empowered, enlightened. You are a medium of Shakti. Wonderful channel you are. Be with the breaths. Absolute silence. Nothingness everywhere. When mind stops, it will become Mahashakti. Neutralizing the mind is a nirvanic mind. Be with the breaths. Breath is your guru. Breath is the bridge between outer and inner worlds. Be with the breath. Breath mastery is life mastery. You can feel your heart chakra getting open with wonderful petals at the center of the chest. Beautiful, blissful heart chakra is so bright, filled with unconditional love. You can feel your heart chakra is totally open, open to the godly energies, divine Ma energies. Your heart, lungs, chest, whole of you filled with blissful Ma energies. Rainbow light from heart chakra going to the third eye chakra like a bridge. from the heart chakra. Brilliant rainbow colors of light. The bridge is going to your third eye chakra. Your third eye is glowing, where Sushumna, Ida Pingala, nadis meet. Your inner perception getting awakened with the opening of third eye. Brilliant light filling your forehead, spreading all over the body, spreading everywhere. From third eye, the rainbow bridge going towards the Sahasrara, top of the head, connecting to the Sahasrara. Beautiful, blissful, 1,000-petaled flower, Sahasrara, is open. You can feel the energies, the consciousness of you in Sahasrara. You are breathing through the Sahasrara, which makes you eternal, infinite, immortal. Observe the breath going through Sahasrara, top of the head, into you. As you are observing the breath through Sahasrara opening, the immortal consciousness, Chiranjiva consciousness flowing into you, filling every cell of you, making you immortal. Fully open Sahasrara. You are in that consciousness. Be blissful. Be there. Enjoy the bliss. And going down this rainbow bridge into Vishuddha Chakra, back of your neck, connecting to Vishuddha Chakra. You can feel the rainbow bridge with multiple colors, bright light, going and connecting. Back of the neck, Vishuddhi Chakra is glowing. Your communication center is expanding as it is becoming more bright. Vishuddhi, fifth chakra, throat chakra, thymus, thyroid chakra is glowing, radiating divine Ma energies. You can feel the rainbow light extending from back of your neck, Vishuddhi Chakra, again connecting to heart chakra. Brilliant rainbow bridge. Divine Ma energies are connecting to heart chakra. From heart chakra to third eye to Sahasrara, the energies are moving in a circle, connecting heart, third eye, Sahasrara, Vishuddhi, again to the heart. You can feel that momentum, moving of energies along the rainbow bridge, making you much deeper and deeper relaxation. Wonderful. Brilliant energies are connecting all the chakras. The rainbow bridge. The energies are circulating in the system of rainbow bridge and chakras. Feel it. Be in it. You are radiating as these energies are circulating. You are radiating the energies around. You are the source of light, divine Ma light. You can feel the center of this wheel of fleeting energies, Ma, Durga Ma. Yes, you can feel her eyes, third eye, face, ornaments, Ayudh, her animal vehicle, lion. Feel it. Her dress, colors. She is there in front of you. Connect to her eyes. Powerful energies are flowing to you from Durga Ma, filling you. All the ornaments, reflecting your soul, self glow, shining. You are resonating with Ma energies. The dress indicates all your bodies, physical, mental, astral, causal, supracausal. All bodies are getting rejuvenated. You are synchronizing with Ma. Ma is touching your forehead, top of the head. Beautiful energies are into you. Every cell is filled with divine Ma energies, Durga Ma energies. Durga. Everything. All dasha, negative gunas, she is removing, throwing into the fireball beside all your karma, getting burnt. Feel it. So much of energy, so much of positive is flowing. Touch the Ma. Feel her. Hug her. Ma is telling you why you are meditating today along with Dr. Hari. What are all the things we are going to serve the society, share divine Ma energies. She is describing. She is telling about your purpose of life. You are expanding along with the Ma, growing along with the Ma, expanding and expanding. Your hug the Ma, you are expanding. Feel her ornaments, dress, her crown. You can feel her vehicle, where she is sitting. You are expanding and expanding along with Durga Ma. Feel her, the touch, the knowledge she is giving to you about what Hema, Nadeem, Dr. Hari, all the group, how we are all going to evolve, serve the society. She is describing. Feel it, expand. As you are expanding, every cell is filled with joy, bliss, power, positivity, patience. Feel it. Much deeper and deeper empowerment is happening. Be a witness to the Durga Ma and all the process happening in you, around you. Feel it. Feel the joy expanding and expanding. touching all the planets, stars, going beyond, along with the Ma, expanding and expanding. As you are expanding, you can feel the expansion of the health, wealth, success in your life. Feel it. Expanding and expanding. Expanding and expanding. From this state of expansion, feel your body. Look at your body. How beautiful it is. You have expanded along with Durga Ma. Looking into her eyes, you are showing how beautiful your body is. How blissful, beautiful your physical world choices. You are showing to Ma. Ma is describing why you have chosen, what you are going to become. She is showing your future, your kids' settlement. You are on a stage speaking about your success. All your achievements. People are applauding you. You are on the stage. All your family members on the stage. You are receiving felicitation for all your life work. All your family members are with you. Grown-up kids, married kids, their kids too. Male or female, hug them. You are so settled. From this state of expansion, you are all observing your future. On a stage, you are giving lecture, motivation of your life to the audience. Feel it. Hug the Ma. Ma is giving a boon to you, an ornament, which is symbol of health, wealth. Keep it with you. Giving message to you, to these group members, including Dr. Hari. Feel it. From the state of expansion with Durga Ma. Expanding and expanding, filling total cosmos. Be in that bliss. Make a fist, both hands. This all stays with you. Whenever you make a fist, all will be, all this experience, you will regain. Take prasad from Durga Ma. Taste it. It is Amrit, giving long life to your body. Positive mindset, confidence, power, patience, positivity, self-love, all qualities of divinity you are experiencing while taking prasada from Durga Ma. Feel it. Take all that energies, say thanks to Ma. All that energy of Durga Ma you are taking from the top of your head filling your top of your head, Sahasrara Chakra. It is glowing. All the best future, divine Ma energies you are bringing into this body from the top of your head, Sahasrara, flowing down into third eye. Your third eye is glowing, full of energy, Durga Ma energy, filling your throat chakra, communication center, flowing down along the spine into heart chakra. Heart chakra is glowing, full of divine Ma energies, flowing down into Manipura, above navel, It's glowing, flowing down into Swadhisthana Chakra, below navel. Wonderful glow, flowing into Mooladhara, tip of the spine. All chakras are glowing with brilliant energies. All your subtle bodies, aura, nadis are with the divine Ma energies. Be in this state of witnessing the bliss, blissful body, blissful energies, blissful consciousness. Once you make a fist, both hands, you are re-experiencing Ma in front of you, blessing you, touching your forehead, top of the head, supporting you, caring you, loving you. Feel it, feel her. Once you slowly open your fist, you can feel the joy pervading every cell of you, radiating this joy, bliss everywhere into the family, workplace, society, nation, globe, whole cosmos. Be in that state of bliss. Be in that state. Be in that state, blissful state. Be in that blissful state, listening to the beautiful music. Last 5 seconds. Be in that blissful state. Whenever you are ready, whenever you want to come to normal state, slowly open your eyes or be in that blissful state for some more time. Hema ji. Slowly. Asha ji, how are you? Share your experience in 30 seconds. Later, Hema ji will speak because she has to attend some more other program. Yes. कैसे लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। बीच में इतना लॉन्ग था तो थोड़ा सा बीच में ब्रेक हुआ, लाइक वो कंटिन्यूटी नहीं हो रही थी, बट आई
कैसे आपको कैसे लगा? माँ दुर्गा माँ से
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
बताइए वो फीलिंग।
ऐसा लग रहा था वो मेरे सामने ही है और जो लाइट जो आशीर्वाद देती है तो वो मेरे ऊपर आ रहा है।
टचिंग योर हेड, टॉप ऑफ द हेड, रिलीजिंग ऑल द नेगेटिव। आपको फ्यूचर कैसे दिखा आपको? ब्राइट। योर किड्स, grown up kids, have you seen?
Yeah.
What is the age of your kids now, and in what age you have seen your future?
So they are doing their job nicely wherever they are settled, like that.
Very good. That feeling of satisfaction is there. Wonderful. Very nice. Wonderful. Nadeem.
Yeah.
कैसे लगा Nadeem?
Yeah, it was good.
The meditation.
Very good.
Very nice.
Feeling all the chakras.
Excellent.
Feeling all the chakras.
आशा भारती जी, कैसे लगा?
मैंने ही बोला, मैंने अभी भी बताया आपको।
तृप्ति देव. Yes. Now the turn is Hema ji. Your message on this beautiful.
बहुत एक्सलेंट। रोम ओपन होता है, आपका एवरी सेल ओपन होता है और आप कनेक्ट योरसेल्फ। आपको उस टाइम लगता है कि एक्सटर्नल कुछ है ही नहीं, सब कुछ इंटरनल है, जो भी कुछ है अंदर है, एवरीथिंग इन विद इन यू, नथिंग आउटसाइड। मतलब इट्स रियली अमेजिंग कि आप टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड होते हो, सब कुछ आप आपके कंट्रोल में होता है। और एक्चुअल में यही होता है, आपकी लाइफ एक्सटर्नल तो चल रही है, बट जो कंट्रोल होता है आपका इंटरनल होता है। आप इंटरनल, आप खुश हो, आप सब कुछ अच्छा करते हो। इंटरनल खुश नहीं हो, आप अच्छे ही, आपका इंटरनल एवरी मोमेंट और कंट्रोल होगा, अपने आप ठीक होती जाएंगी, अपने आप ब्लेसफुल होती जाएंगी, होता जाएगा। इट्स एक्सीलेंट थेरेपी व्हिच यू कनेक्ट ट्रूली इंटरनल, इट्स माय ओपिनियन।
You just balloon technique. Tomorrow you are sharing what all the things are going to give the jalak.
Unmute करिए। Why? Unmute करिए।
पहले आपको एक बैलून थेरेपी, जिससे कहीं भी आपको स्ट्रेस है, इमीडिएटली उसका इफेक्ट आपको मिलेगा। 80% तक का आपका बॉडी पेन रिमूव हो जाएगा इमीडिएटली। आपको माइग्रेन है, आपको साइनस है, आपको बैक केक है, इमीडिएटली उसका इफेक्ट है।
कल करना है ना?
जब मेरे को हाँ डेफिनेटली।
Wonderful. In advance, congratulations. Okay. Very nice. Yes, Nadeem. What are you?
मैं डॉक्टर हरी के लिए कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ। वो बहुत एक्सलेंट करते हैं, वो 100% कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं मदर अर्थ से, यूनिवर्स से, हर किसी से। इट्स रियली प्योर एनर्जी, आई फील इट। थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू
claps to Hema ji. Bye.
Thank
okay,
you.
happy time.
Bye.
Tomorrow we'll meet. Huh? Okay. Yes. Conclusion, Nadeem.
Bye.
Yeah, it's a very good session. How to evoke, how to work on our chakras, and how to bring the energies and go into meditative state. How to connect with the breath, and all this is to make you happy. When you are happy, you can do anything great. When you are not happy, you cannot do things great. So really, I enjoyed the process. Thank you, Hari. Dr. Tripti, you want to say something?
Garu, 17th we are going to Prakati Resorts, 30 kilometers away from retreat with 5 elements. Okay, health and fun program, resort oriented program. So inform to, and on 18th we have one more program with the art of modeling and mega living. Tomorrow Nadim's day, he is going to describe about the health along with Asha and okay, we are all waiting
Sure.
for the programs. Yes, Satyavati garu, ఎలా ఉంది? బాగుందా?
చాలా బాగుంది.
Okay.
చూసారా అమ్మగారిని, దేవి గారిని, దుర్గమ్మ గారిని?
చూసాను, ఇప్పుడే వెళ్ళి పాలపిట్టను కూడా చూసి వచ్చానండి. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేవరకు
చాలా
అమ్మవారు
సంతోషం.
కనిపించారు.
రేపు కలుద్దాం. ఓకే.
అలాగే. ఓకే.
Okay, bye. Good night.